Hello, welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to change the default option to turn off our phone. For example, if we hold our power button right now, it won't turn off. It's a Bixby shortcut. How to change it? We have to go to Settings, then here in Advanced Features, we have Side button. And by default it's Wake Bixby, press and hold. If we want to make it power off menu, we have to choose this little option here. And now let's see. Let's hold our power button. And now our power menu came back as it used to. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.